Hello, my fellow friends. By the way, whoa, we have made the donut. But wait a minute, it looks very bland and it looks just a bread and the icing is chocolate icing smashed together. So let's decorate a bit. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the sprinkles of donut. And by the way, welcome to the part 4 of how to make this donut. Okay, so without any delays, let's start and I'll come out of this mode. Yeah, and we have our wonderful donut, but we have to decorate a bit. So first of all, I want to change this color a bit because it's like a little bit different. It doesn't look like chocolate. So yeah, so I'll select this and I'll go to this mode, yeah, and I'll change the color with, yeah, I'll go to the shading tab, yeah. So now where is the color? Yeah, so I'm thinking of increasing this. uh how will it look now if I go? Okay, so it looks nice, but I think so it should be a bit towards the, oh yeah, I think it should be towards this a little bit. How about putting it full? Like how will, okay, it's like too dark now. Is it too dark? I think I should make that color a bit a little light because it's like too dark. I'll go here and I'll do a bit like that. How will that look? Okay, so there's a lot of difference now. I think the previous one was better. Just the thing is, it's not looking like. I think I should add a bit more light to make it more pop. Okay, so now I'll add sprinkles. So you have seen in donuts they have sprinkles. They have many colors of it. But today in this chocolate donut, I think we should put pink and white. These both long sprinkles. But you have also seen in some places that sprinkles are also little bit of broken. It's not fully just like a capsule. It's like somewhat it's bits, small bits, and it looks a more bit realistic. So let's try to make that. So it's looking chocolatey now. Like it's looking very delicious. So now we'll add a mesh and we'll press shift A in our keyboard and we'll go to mesh and we'll select key cylinder. So okay, yeah, now I'm gonna scale this. That much should be okay, I guess. It's like too small now. Now I'll scale in Z axis. Just like that. And I'll wait. I'll now press Control B. Means first I should select this face and that face. Yeah. Now we'll press Control B and not like that. Wait. If I do now, wait. If I increase this, it's still like that. I think I should increase the width. No, or I should decrease, I think so. Yeah. Yeah, I should decrease it. Yeah. So we have something like this, a little bit of curve, and I think I should scale it more in like little less in the axis. Now we have to make a bit of version, like small version, because every sprinkle is not like a capsule. So now we'll duplicate this, shift D, grab Y, and we'll keep this for the other color. So now I'll again come in this, shift D, grab Y. Now I'm gonna press Ctrl R, just like that. I'll take a bit down. Now I'll go to face select mode, select all these and oh, okay. Like I'll go here. If I select all, yeah. And if I press delete and vertices, it will look like something. Oh, okay. Not vertices. X faces, yeah, faces. Now if I do, yeah, have something like this. So now we'll select these edges, yeah. I'll press one. Okay, where are we now? Oh, I think I should make this cube more big. Okay, let's just focus on the uh 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 where is the sprinkle? Wait a minute. Oh, I went way top. Yeah. Now I'll press shift and I'll unselect these. And can I fill this new faces from edges? Yeah. And also I'll subdivide this. Um, can we subdivide this? No, we can't. So, okay. Okay. So now we'll add a displace modifier. We'll go to the modifier properties, add modifier, just to make it a bit bumpy, so it doesn't again look like a plain capsule. So I'll go here, and where is the? Oh yeah, it's top only. I'm searching somewhere else. Here, image, movie, clouds. So we don't want this much, like even not that much. That I think that much should be nice, or else I'll. Oh, I'm increasing it. I should decrease it, right? Yeah. So we have a bit version of that, and we have to duplicate this, shift D, grab Y, and also we have to make the bits another bit version. So this would be for the other color. So now instead of this much long, means instead of, should I increase the strength? It looks something else. Okay, so another version should be like this. Okay, so this is yeah. So we have now bits version, and you can keep as many as you want. I think more two would be nice because we want a bit realistic. So I'll press again shift D, grab Y. Let's just repeat the process. So I'll come here, then I'll select this face, grab Z. Oh, wait a minute, what's happening? Oh, yeah. Grab Z. Yeah. Now, oh, just like that. Yeah, that one. And this one should be, I think, something like, yeah, that would be nice. I'll also scale in Z-axis. Yeah. So now we have several like this. So now I'll a no a grab it so that this point is in middle. I'm grabbing it up for that reason. Okay. Oh, tap a miss a grabs it just like that, and I'll grabs it now. Grabs it. I think this has a bit more actually. I should decrease, yeah, just like that. That also a yeah, grabs it. We'll repeat this step. Yeah. So now we have pretty much some versions also, and now I think also we should add something a bump in this. No, it's okay. We'll just add like this. I'll scale that a bit. This one, yeah, just like that. And now I'll select all these type of sprinkles, and now I'm gonna move on to move to collection new and we'll write the name as sprinkles. Yeah, create. So now we have something like this. Let this big one, no, this small one, let it be white, and I'll color this as pink. We'll do it a bit fast. Okay, it's not pink. Is this pink? Yeah, that's pink. Now I'll color this also, let it be white. I'll color this as white. Means not white, pink again. And also I'll add a bit of like not metallicness, a little bit of glossiness so that it doesn't seem like a plastic one. Yeah. Uh, Transmission. Wait, not that much. That much should be nice. Again in this transmission. Wait. Yeah. I think this one should be also pink. So I'll add this again pink somewhere there. Yeah. Full light. And again I'll add a bit of glossiness. So we have something like this now. Now we'll go to now we'll select the icing. Make sure you select the icing and do all these things. Now we'll oh okay, to better you want a better view. Okay, so now we'll go and where's the oh yeah, we'll go to the particles. Um yeah, so this is the particle page, and we'll add a particle system by pressing in this plus, and you can remove it by pressing minus if you did and if you have done any mistake. So now we'll select from here to emitter, and now we'll also check the advance, and we'll scroll and like open render. We'll select collection. In instance collection we'll select the sprinkles collection, and we have our sprinkles here. So okay, now we'll also add the children. Yeah, I'll add interpolated. I think this is too much. There are too much of bits, I think so. Yeah, oh yeah. Now if I add more, but I don't want it everywhere. I just want it in a particular place. If I go to the this place, okay. It's looking nice. I guess it's like um there should be a bit um little bit of less glossiness in the chocolate actually, because it's looking very glossy. Like it's looking ultra glossy. It's looking like something else. Okay. Oh, like not too much. Oh, how do I guess that much should be okay. I guess that. Also, I'll increase a bit of roughness speed, just like that. If I go in this place now. Okay, how does that look? Okay, so it's should I increase it or decrease it? I guess this should be nice. I'll come here. Okay, so we have a wonderful looking donut with icing, nice bread, and also with some colorful and bits sprinkles. So as you can see, you are now asking why did we add the bits. As you can see here, we added bits and it's now looking more realistic than ever, or else it would just look bland. So wait, yeah. uh, yeah. So now we are finally remaining with the lighting. So we have a simple spotlight here just to show you guys. But let's add a bit more attractive light so it doesn't look again plain like this. So the bread is also should be like the bread also should be nice, and like it should be like visible, or else it's like full dark as you can see here. Oh, okay. So I'll come to this mode, yeah. So now we have our spotlight, yeah. So I'll decrease the means I'll delete this. Delete. Uh, where's okay, okay. Yeah, delete. If I press delete, why isn't it deleting? Um, so we have deleted it, and I'll enable this light. Yeah. Oh no. So now we want a bit of area light. So again we'll add one area light. We'll press shift A, then we'll hover down and we'll see something like light. We click on that and what's happening? It got stuck. Okay. Yeah. So now I'll select, yeah, and I want area. Yeah. I'll grab it up now. Okay, so it's looking something like this. But oh, wait a minute. You're thinking like now, why is okay? I'll just grab these sprinkles. Uh, I'll just grab all these sprinkles up, so it will not like be visible to the camera in a such a place. So grabs it a bit more. That will be nice. Yeah. So now we have something like this, a donut, but you can't see. It's not, the bread is not visible. It's it's somewhat looking like a floating ice scene. So again, we are gonna add another light. This time also area. Yeah, area light, and yeah. Now I'll rotate it in y-axis 90. Is it rotating? Yeah. And again rotate Y 90. Yeah. And so now what I'll do is I'll grab it down. I'll scale it. And what's happening? I'm not understanding. It's getting freezed again and again. Okay, I'll sort this thing out. Where's the light? Where's the light? Area light. Yeah, that one. Yeah. I'll. How does it look there? It looks nice, but the the bread is not visible. Again, I'll press Shift A, light, area light, then I rotate it in Y, no, x-axis. Yeah, and now I'll grab it in y-axis. Now I'll also add a same light like that in this side. How would this look? Like I'm just testing it. Like it's not, I'm not confirming it. Shift D, grab Y, not Y, X. So it's easy to like move, or it's so hard to move. I'll put 0 here, yeah, camera to be, and I'll have it just like that. And I'm just testing if I press F12 now, how will it look? Okay, so let it render and I'll show you. It's not. Okay, okay. I understood the problem now. One each sprinkle. Okay, so that's weird. Okay, so again I'm gonna show you after rendering. Okay, so this is the result. So it's looking nice. Uh, it's a bit chocolatey and it has bits like some sprinkle bits. Yeah, sprinkle. What am I saying? Sprinkle bits and also sprinkles. And also the bread is nice. So I think the last thing is changing the background color and also another thing, this donut is levitating, so we need to take it to near the ground or else it would look like it's fully levitating. So let's begin without any delays and let's finish it fast. So I'll come out of this camera to view and press N. Yeah. So we have a donut here. Donut. Okay. Okay, I'll close this tab. Yep. So now see this donut is levitating so far from the place. I'll not, like, these overlays are disturbing all these. So I'll grab it. Not that much. That should be nice. And I'll come here. Okay, so we have something like this. And also the color. So now I'm thinking about the color. So the color should be something a bit of shiny and it should reflect the donut nicely. So what should we put? Something like how about these colors, like towards or even this side. this side. Mm, how about more in this side? Yeah. Okay. I think I should like see. I'll press F12 in my keyboard and let's see the render result, and then we'll see what. Then we'll like understand what we should do. Okay, so I'll again come back to you after this like it this renders fully. I guess so. This is the result, but I guess the sprinkle is too much actually. So, and also, I'm thinking of putting something between gray and light blue, like something like that, as the background, other than this color. So, again, we are gonna close this, and yeah, so now we are in this place. Now, we are gonna apply some like color. Like it should be attractive. So I'll search some materials. I'll go to materials tab and I'll search clothes. Yeah, enter. I'll enable this eye and let's wait a bit. Oh, what's up? Again, what happened? Clothes. I pressed one. Okay. Okay, so first, why is this not like happening? Oh, what was that thing? Okay, so again, I got off. Again, I have to on this thing. Yeah. So we have many clothes. We have this type of cloth. Okay, we don't want this. A woven cloth. How about this one? Like how will it look? Okay, I'll drop. Okay, is the material assigned? I'll just check. Ah, okay, so it doesn't look a woven cloth. Like there's some type of gradient. Okay, so I didn't. I have to go in edit mode and I'll select all these faces and I'll go to UV and oh okay, I didn't select everything. Mm, oh yeah. Wait a minute. Why can't I select faces? Like if I go, yeah. So if I now enable Smart UV Project Unwrap, and how about now? And doesn't make any change. Okay, so it looks like something woven. So how about I'll change the like I will change the number of sprinkles now because it's a lot. Um So I'll give this as 1250, that much, or should I decrease more? I guess 1240 should be nice. That should be nice. And also in scale, I'll increase the scale randomize a bit. And now the woven cloth doesn't look nice. I'll delete this cube and I'll add a new one. Mesh. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Scale. Grabs it. Somewhere in there. And I'll now. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. A. And now I'll add UV Smart UV project, unwrap. Now if I add a cloth in this, how will it's still the same? I'm not understanding why is it the same? Like, why does it not change? Why isn't it like if I put this cream cloth? Okay, so again this one is also having something like this. Okay, how about I scale this? Like I'll scale this more, 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 more. Oh, okay. Oh, grabs it. Not that small, a bit more big, like that. I think if I put up now, I'll take it up. In the shading tab, I'll now change the color, but I can't straightly change the color because it's a image. Instead of that, I'll change the hue, saturation and value. So I'll add that node. I'll click here. Yeah. So now so this is the color. Where's the color? Yeah, this is the color one. So now I'll add hue, saturation, value here, and if I increase the hue it will be blue. If I decrease it, like it's changing color, saturation. Okay, so it's like changing like output value. If I press F12 now, how will it look? Like final result. Not final. Okay, so we are getting some nice result. So let this okay, yeah. So we have some nice result here. You can see the woven fabric thing is nice. So nice. So now I think I should adjust the camera size because it's like a little bit of somewhat this way it's long and this way it's like type of something. So I'll close this like tab now, and again, yep. So now where our camera, now I'll render and render. Oh, and device, I forgot to test GPU compute. And if I now, oh, we can also put the noise because and also the camera, just forgot that. Why is this looking like this? Like it's looking like twisted waves, but Let me just, I'll go in zero, zero. I think I should remove the noise. Yeah, this much, this is much better. And yeah, where's the camera? Yeah, decrease, de- sh- should I increase here in this? And I'll press N, camera to view, zoom more, means that much. Yeah, so now we have something like this. How about I decrease this more? Yeah, just like that. Okay, so it's a big donut now. Like, don't want a big donut. 1920. Okay, it's we don't want it. Okay, now if I press F12, how will that look? Okay, so we have some nice result. So we can see the woven fabric, the nice icing with a sprinkle of sprinkles, which made it more beautiful, and with a bread, like donut bread. So it's looking nice now, and it's also looking realistic than the other versions. I think so. Yeah. So I think for this video, it's this much. I'll show you in a better view because my camera is there. So yeah. So now I'll show you in better view. Yeah. So finally now I changed a little things. So I changed the background color. So I changed from blue to like pink, and then I changed the size of the sprinkles and also reduced the amount. And the final look is like this. So as you can see, the donut is right here with some sprinkles and one bread. And I also changed the color of bread because it was looking like too dark. So for now this much, but in next video I'll try to bring more interesting things like this so that we can explore more and we can do more. So for now, bye bye.